Hey everybody, today is day one of the proof earning. So yesterday's video was just setting up, showing the deposit and all that kind of good stuff. Today is day one of the earnings. So we got 15 days of earnings. So we're going to log in to my account and see here, scroll down. And today is the first day of my earnings. So of my $1,020. That I deposited. And you can see that in yesterday's video, and I'll link yesterday's video in below this video in the description also. So $1,020, and I'm making 3% daily on that. 36.60. There it is there, and we're looking for 15 days. So $459 profit. If this was $2,040, you'd be looking at $918 from profit in 15 days. So that's it, guys. So if you're interested, you could contact me directly or scroll down and look in the description. There's a link. Goes to a webpage called Get Paid Like Mike. It gives you a company overview. If you do decide to take and join with me in this opportunity, I will give you a free marketing system. It's valued at over $400. And what that marketing system does, it allows you to um, send your friends and family or whoever, people from your social media, whatever, to the website, and it gives them a company overview and answers any questions. And also, it sends out emails weekly, or for people, so it lets you know that you can jump on the company calls on Wednesdays and on um, Sunday nights. So, and also when I make a withdrawal from this account after 15 days, I will be giving Bitcoin away. So if you do me a favor, if you'll please comment, like, and share this video. And if you comment, please comment with your Bitcoin receiving wallet address, and I could take and we'll use the random comment selector, and somebody will win. Um, and someone will win the Bitcoin. So, with that being said, um, this is day one, and then tomorrow we should be looking for another $30.60. Make it a great day. See you on the inside.